Hi folks, welcome to Fully Techie. In this video, we're going to be seeing about what is a domain and what is web hosting. A lot of people used to get confused about this, and in this video, I'm going to make you clear about this. First, start with web hosting. Web hosting is like renting up a space over internet. Okay, if you get confused over here, please bear with me. I will make you much more clear about this. Let's assume you're setting up a restaurant. For setting up a restaurant, you need some space, right? Similarly, you need some space over internet to set up your website. Now, if you think like, where do I set up a space over internet? That's where hosting comes in. There are a lot of hosting companies available in the market. Some of the top hosting companies are Hostinger, HostGator, Bluehost. If you don't know whom to choose, then I have created a special video about comparing top hosting companies. I will leave the link in the card and also in the description. Make sure you watch it. So coming back to hosting, hosting is the backend of your website where you put all the data to run your website. It is a place where you store all the data of your website. Let's get back to the domain. Domain is the address of your website, like www.fullytechie.com is a domain. But there cannot be two different websites existing with the same domain name. Let me make this clear. There cannot be two different addresses pointing to a same place. Similarly, there cannot be two different websites with the same domain name. But here is an exception. If you have a different extension, then it will reach you to a different website. Like www.fullytechie.com cannot exist twice. www.fullytechie.com, .in, .org, this can exist. Each domain will reach you to a different website. And I'm a freelancer web developer. If you want to create a website for your business, then I'm ready to do it for you. I'm leaving my Fiverr link in the description. You can contact me through Fiverr. I will quickly tell you how to buy a domain and hosting. First, go to hostinger.com. In this video, I'm going to use hostinger.com as an example. Link will be available in the description. So go to hostinger.com and first let's check the domain what we are looking for is available or not. So to check that, go to domain and then domain checker. And here you type your domain name. Now I'm typing fullytechie.com and I'm hitting search and it's showing that the domain is already taken because I already own the domain. But the better thing is it will show you the alternative options for the same name with a different extension. So you can choose anything from this list. You don't have to buy the domain, but you check the availability of the domain and get back to Hostinger's homepage. And here you have to scroll down. First we see here the premium shared web hosting plans. I don't recommend anyone to go for premium shared hosting because in premium shared hosting your latency speed will be low. That means your website will load a little bit slower than a normal website. We don't want that to happen. So what I recommend you to do is go to WordPress hosting. In WordPress hosting plans, I would recommend you to go for WordPress starter because in single WordPress you don't get any value. You are limited to 30 GB of storage, you are limited to 10,000 visits per month, and you will not even get a free domain from this plan. So this plan doesn't have any value. So what I recommend you to do is go for WordPress starter. There you can get 100 websites in the same hosting plan. Of course, you're not going to create 100 websites, but it's just an additional option. You'll be getting 100 GB of SSD storage, and here you are limited to 25,000 visits per month. It is better than a single WordPress plan. And here you'll be getting a free domain. That's the key point of this plan. So click select, and here I don't recommend anyone to go for a 4-year commitment. That's too long because within 4 years anything can change. So what I recommend you to do is go for a 12-month subscription. That would cost you $6.99, and in total it would cost you $83.88. The second step, you enter your email ID to create an account with Hostinger. You can also create an account with your Facebook account or your GitHub account. Then you select your payment method, either by credit card or PayPal, whatever you are comfortable with, and then scroll down. Now our grand total is $83.88. Now I will tell you a trick for you to find a coupon code for Hostinger that will save you money. Go to Google and type for Hostinger coupon code, and then scroll down, click on any one of the website, and then click any one of this coupon. I'm going to copy it and get back to Hostinger, and I'm going to paste it here. It worked, guys. Now our grand total is only $78. We didn't get a huge discount from this coupon, but still we got a $4 discount from this coupon. Now enter your card details like your name of your card, card number, expiry date, CVV number, and click on submit secure payment. And once after you're done with your payment, this is where you'll be headed on. and here you have to click on setup. Once you click on the setup, you will be headed on here. The process will be very simple. You just have to click next or get started, anything like that to continue the process. Here you click on the start now. In this plan we will be getting a free domain, so select claim a free domain option. In the first step itself, I said you how to check the availability of your desired domain name. So you directly enter it right here and click on search and get your free domain. And then you just have to continue the process. You'll be asked to create an account with WordPress. Just sign up with WordPress and we are done buying a domain and hosting. And do you think you really need to know coding to create a website? Absolutely not. There are more efficient and easiest way to create a website. We can use CMS like WordPress to create an awesome, stunning website. To know more about WordPress, click the video on the screen. And finally, we came to the end of this video. If you have learned something new in this video, then make sure you like this video, share this video with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to Fully Techie.